Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. In the beginning of September 2019, I stopped posting a video on my YouTube channel because I'm focusing on developing my Walk with Tak cooking school. Then early this March, I received an email from a subscriber. I was touched that she reached out to me. She asked me whether I'm okay, and I'm very grateful for her kindness and caring. That's when I decided that I'm going to go back to posting on my channel again. I post this video in response to the question that you asked me recently, as well as a way to say thank you. The question is whether it is a good idea to blanch the vegetable before stir-frying it in the wok. I want to first say a few words about stir-frying vegetable in the wok for those who are not familiar with the technique. Stir-frying vegetables in hot oil is a technique to create flavor molecule on the surface of the food ingredients. It is a chemical process where food become more favorable because of the high temperature. The same process also happens in grilling, baking, and roasting. However, for many vegetables, stir-frying alone is not enough to soften the texture. One approach is to steam the vegetable after stir-frying by adding a small amount of water in the wok. Depending on the toughness of the vegetable, the steaming process could be improved by covering the wok. This is the method that I use when I cook my vegetables. However, there are alternative methods. One common method is to blanch the vegetables. The goal of blanching is to soften texture of the vegetable by scalding it with boiling water for a brief period. The vegetables are then rinsed in cold water to stop the cooking process. The vegetable will then be used in stir-fry. Now this is a reversal of my process, which is by stir-frying first and steaming the vegetable next to soften its texture. The third method is to microwave the vegetable first and then stir-fry it. I have used all three methods before, but I have never really compared them systematically. I'm going to use broccoli in the following to compare these three methods. Number one, blanching before stir-fry. I'm going to use my cook standard stainless steel wok to boil 5 cups of water. I blanch 3 cups of broccoli florette in the water for about 1 minute until they turn vivid green. I transfer them using a strainer into a colander and then rinse them under running cold water to stop the cooking process. I then stir-fry the broccoli florette with minced garlic for about 45 seconds. During the process, I add a little bit of water to maintain some moisture. Number two, steaming after stir-fry. I stir-fry 3 cups of broccoli florette with minced garlic for 1 minute. To steam the broccoli, I use my squeeze bottle to add just enough water to cover the bottom of the wok. I stir the contents constantly for another minute to make sure all the broccoli florette are evenly cooked. Number three, microwave before stir-fry. I microwave 3 cups of broccoli florette in a plastic container in the microwave oven for 45 seconds at the highest setting. I noticed that after microwaving, the florette take on a slight yellow color. I then stir-fry the broccoli florette for about 1 minute with minced garlic. Okay, next came the taste test with my wife, my son, and me as the judge. None of us could tell the difference between the three methods. I was quite surprised because I thought surely there should be some differences. I predicted the best is the stir-fry steaming method. This is followed by the blanching stir-fry, and then the least is the microwave stir-fry method. What was equally surprising to me is that after stir-fry, all of the appearance of the three looks identical. Therefore, based on this experiment, my answer is that it really doesn't matter which method that you use. This is at least true for broccoli. Other vegetables might be different. I find this information to be very useful for me because I start to use microwave as a way to soften the vegetables. And now I have the flexibility to use any one of these three methods depending on the situation. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future video postings. Thank you for watching. See you next time.